Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you do that on your Strava app. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do is to just go up here, you click here on the sign settings here in app. So then you come to next step here, then all you have to do now. So you just go down, you click here on privacy controls here, and you come here to next step, then all you have to do now. So you just go down here, and you just click here on edit past activities here, then it's going to take us here in this list, and you click here on get started here and here. So can you activate visibility here, so just click on it here and you click here on next, then it's going to take here, and here can you choose who can see your activity visibility here. So here if you choose who can see it, so you just click here on next, then it's going to take you to next step here to add your, so here you can edit here your so your past activities, and can you do it too for here rate visibility here. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.